This is the ongoing road construction that is currently in progress at Victoria Island, Oniru to be precise. On today's video, I'll be showing you the progress of this construction, and though it's not known publicly like that, but I'll make sure I bring it to your screen as that is what I'm good at doing. Hello family and friends, on today's video I'll be showing you guys the construction of Victoria Island Road, and this is one of the Oniru road construction that has been going on in Lagos, Nigeria. Though most people don't know about this construction, and that's why I'm making this video to show you. The road has been in shambles after some road incident happened, and also it led it to be bad and scattered, and that's why I'm making this video to show you guys the construction process and also progress of this road construction. If you want to know this location, this is around Oniru, around the Victoria Island axis, Zenith Bank to be precise, and this is how it's currently look right now. So I'm working currently at the construction site, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it doesn't feel so busy, but those guys are working behind me and right in front of me. So when I get to that place, I'll make a video to show you guys how the work is going. This road construction is expected to take 6 weeks of pure construction, and definitely to be completed at the end of the 6th week. As you are watching this video now, this is the 2nd week of the road construction, so they have 4 more weeks to go. And as you can see, the road grading is about to be done. The drainage, that's the soccerway, has been built, has been casted. It remains the covering, and the road to be smoothened and added with interlock. Anyways, this road is very nice because when the last time I visited this place, there was a lot of flooding around the area because of how bad the drainage system was. But today I came here to make this video, and I was glad that at least they finally remember this road. For those who take Victoria Island axis very well, you will know this road. It is around that Oniru side, and if you are going to Landmark Beach, you definitely pass here. And this is how the road construction is ongoing. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also share with your friends so it could get to more people. As you know, road construction is one of the best constructions that are going on in Lagos, Nigeria, because a lot of road are in shambles and very bad condition. And I believe with this process of constructing and renovating the previous road, is definitely going to help boost the economy in a lot of ways. I never stop. My guy.
Ya bata cikin kuɗi.